Hello everyone, welcome back to my Fluency journey, and this is yet another grammar lesson. And today's grammar lesson is about noun clauses. A noun clauses is a dependent clause that act as a noun. It can function as a subject, object, or complement in a sentence. So, common starters for noun clauses are that, what, whatever, who, whom, whoever, whether, if, how, when, why, and where. So yeah, for example, functions. So how you can use these as an subject. So what you should surprise everyone. Object is I don't know where he lives, and as a compliment, the fact is that she passed the exam. So important notes. Noun clauses cannot stand alone. The clauses acts like a single noun. Common after reporting verbs: know, think, believe, tell, explain, decide, understanding. So yeah, so let's we'll do some exercises. And I don't understand what she said. Instruction: complete each sentence using a noun clause. What she said surprised everyone. I don't understand what I don't understand where he lives. I don't understand what she said. I don't understand what she said was surprising. Can you tell me? Can you tell me that? Can you tell me where he lives? I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh, whom to approach? Whom to, I don't know whom to approach. I don't know whom to approach. Okay, the truth is that he is not not male. Okay, let's do some test exercises. Present simple versus present continuous. She usually go to the gym, goes to gym, goes to gym at 7 a.m. I I am I read a very interesting book these. I am reading very interesting book these days. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. Uh, they are preparing for interview right now. They are preparing. We meet our new manager every Monday. We meet. Okay, let's check the answers. Mm, I don't understand what she said. This clause functions as object to understand. Partially read. You wrote it into fragments. What she said was surprising. What she said was surprising. Okay. Can you tell me whom to approach? Is a shortened noun clause. A full version whom I should approach. Whom to approach. He didn't know where he lives. Grammatically advertence mismatch. Where he lives. Where he lived. Okay, where he lived, right. The truth is that he is not male. Noun clause acting as a complement. The truth is okay. It's correct. She usually goes to I'm reading, he doesn't like coffee, they are preparing, so it's correct. Okay, I'm doing great. So yeah. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for I will continue these series. So yeah, got it.